As part of the admission process to UAFS, you're given access to your application status portal. This is where the admissions office will update you on items you may need, your application status, your decision letter, any financial aid awards, as well as next steps to the process. So to check your application status portal, the first step is to go to lions.uafs.edu/status. You will then log in using the information you used to apply to the university. After logging in, you're taken to your home screen, where you can schedule a tour of campus or meet your admissions advisor. This is someone you can reach out to if you have questions about the application process or really anything about the university. Your next tab is your Check Status tab. This is where you can see the status of your application, where you can see your application checklist, where you can see materials and information that we have received, and maybe what we're waiting for. If you need to take the AccuPlacer exam in order to complete your file, you can schedule your appointment here. Also, depending on your student type, as well as where you are in the process, we might ask you self-upload materials. That can be found on this Check Status tab. Also on this tab, you can find your status update. Once we have posted an admissions decision, you'll be able to click there and see that decision, as well as any scholarship decisions we may have posted. The last tab is your Next Steps tab. This is where we'll post information on how to register for your main event new student orientation, how to schedule your ROAR registration appointment, and how to apply for housing. Another important piece of information on this tab is your UAFS account information. You will use this your entire time here at UAFS, so make sure you find this and log into your My.UAFS email.